Hey guys, it's Prachi and in today's video I'll talk about facial hair removal using a trimmer. So there's a Veer Sensitive Touch trimmer which retails for Rs 2250. It can be used to trim the hair of your eyebrows, bikini and underarm, upper lips and chin, and also the sideburns. So before moving to the process, let me first quickly tell you what these different parts are all about. So this is the main trimming body, which basically is a battery operated device, so you will find a battery in the packaging itself to get started with. On the trimmer body, you can attach two different types of trimming heads. The first trimming head is for facial trimming with a 6mm and a 16mm side, and this is a 20mm head which can be used for trimming the sideburns. So depending on your requirements, you can attach either of the trimming heads to the trimming body. Apart from that, there is also the styler cap to keep the trimmer head protected, a 2 and a 4mm attachment comb to uniform hair length, a comb attachment for the 20mm trimming head as well, a little brush which can be used to clean up the sides, and a little pouch to hold all of these in case you want to carry them around. So guys, for trimming the facial hair, we'll obviously be using the smaller attachment. If you want, you can use the comb head like I just showed you. If you don't want to use it, you can keep it on the side. I personally prefer trimming it as it is because I have used it for a few times already now and I'm very comfortable with it, so it just works really well. And once you're done with the attachments, just flip the switch like this, and as you can see, the trimmer has started. It is making this sound. It's actually very safe to use. I'm just putting my bare fingers over it. I wouldn't recommend you to try this, but I'm just trying to show you that it's actually very safe to use. So let me show how you can use this on your face. So as you can probably see here guys, I have some extra hair coming out of my eyebrows. It started to grow. So I'm just gonna use the trimmer like this. Okay, so I'm gonna use like the smaller part of it, and I'm just gonna run the trimmer in the direction opposite to the hair growth so that it can kind of gently cut the hair to the minimum possible length, and my eyebrows look nice and clean. So let me turn on the trimmer now and get this started. I hope the camera focuses. So as you can see guys, the precision, the control was absolutely amazing. I was picking out like really tiny hair. What you were actually watching was like 3 times zoomed in with a very special lens. So that's why you could see it. Otherwise you'll really have to look into the mirror very carefully while cutting this thing out. It gives you such amazing, such fine control, and like up close you can see tiny dots. From a distance you can't even see those tiny dots after the hair has been cut. So it's actually really handy, very good, even for the first time users, even for the beginners. And for the sideburns, I'm going to be using the larger trimmer head. And in order to hold it, just hold it like a pen this way. Personally, that's how I like holding it. It just gives me a very good control over it. So guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and follow me on my social media for more. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.